Hello and welcome to Courage Creations. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can open a verified Fiverr account here in Nigeria. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome to Fiverr.com. Now, one thing you want to put in mind when creating a verified Fiverr account is to ensure that you are actually creating that particular account from a new computer. And also, you want to make sure you are using a new network provider. You haven't used that network provider for creating an account. If not, you're going to receive a message like this. Because if you've created an account with that particular laptop or computer and that network provider, it will send a message to Fiverr that this particular IP has already created an account. So you don't want this kind of message. So make sure you are creating your new account with a fresh laptop and a fresh internet connection. So the next thing you want to do is to hit on join, then go over to continue with email. Then you type in your email. So I'm just going to put one of my emails. After putting your email, you put in your password. Then you hit on continue. All right, now you want to choose a username. Always ensure that you choose a username totally different from whatever you've used before, right? You want to make sure you are not using anything close to your previous username. So if you're a new registered user, you can use whatever username you want. But if you've had an account before and they blocked the account, you want to ensure that you are not using any name close to whatever you've used in the past. So you want to use something totally different. Let's impute our username. Let's go with Jik underscore Jack. Jik Jack. Okay, it's available. Create my account. Here we go. We have our new account. So we are selling. So we'll click here and next. We are going with a solo freelancer. Let's go with freelancing online. Then you need to complete your profile. All right. Now you click on become a seller. Once you click here, it will take you directly to your profile. Click on continue, continue. So here you want to ensure you are imputing your real name. Your real name. This is where so many people get it wrong. So if you've had an account before and you're trying to open a new one, always ensure that you use the details of another person. Probably your sister, your mom, your dad. Totally different from your name, right? So let's go with Jack. Jack Roberts. So your display name will be Jack R. Make sure you want to put your picture. So let's use this headshot right there. That's it. Then for your description, you want to go on to Chats GPT. So just tell Chat GPT to create a description for you. Write a description for my bio on Fiverr. Then You want to impute your skill in, let's say, graphic design. Okay, in graphic design. Okay, this is too long. Make it very short. All right, this is fine. So you might want to include a few things. So let's say, okay, hi, my name is Jack, or I am Jack, I am Jack. A graphic designer with over 6 years of experience. Let's correct that. Okay. I am great in crafting. So we'll continue from where chat GPT generated for us. I am great in crafting visual identities that stand out. From logo to social media designs, I bring your ideas to life with creativity and precision. Let's create something extraordinary together. So that's great. So here you want to include your language. We're going to put English level, fluent, then add, then hit continue. So I think they are not accepting that picture. Let's try another one. All right, we've passed that. Occupation, graphic and design, um, book design, t-shirts, merchandise, flyer design. What else? Social media design. One more. Brochure design. That's 5. From what year to what year? Let's say 6 years. That's from 2018 to 2014. So skills. So you add your skills. Flyer design. So you can add different skill here. From flyer design, photo editing, just list everything you can do. Logo design. So here you list everything. Then you put experts, then add. So you list all your skills here. Then education. If you have your BSc, you can include it here. Nigeria. Yeah, you put Nigeria, and yeah, the university you attended. So let's use University of Lagos. University of University of Lagos. Your major. Um, let's say fine arts, bachelor in fine arts. Okay, your title should be BSc. Yeah, you put let's go with 2016. Add. So if you have your certificate, you can put, if you have your certificate, you can put it here and here and add. So always remember, these things are very important, right? They are very important. If you have them, include them, but if you don't, you can skip that part. Now, if you have a personal website, you can put, but if you don't, you can skip. So you hit on continue. Always ensure you verify your email and your phone number. You can see where they said add number. So for the sake of this video, we will not be adding any number here. So just click on finish and click on done, and it will take you right to where you want to create your gig, right? This is the phase where you start creating your gig. So this is the end of opening an account, right? Once you get to this part, create your gig and you wait for confirmation that your account has been verified. So guys, that is a simple step on how you can create a verified Fiverr account. Do you like the information in that video? I am sure you did. So why not support me by liking the video, and also do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get informed whenever I drop amazing videos like this. See you in my next video.